Welcome to RoboBrief, your daily robotics and AI briefing. 3 fresh moves today. A Chinese cable-driven humanoid hits $1 billion valuation, sidewalk robots take on laundry in Los Angeles, and the world's biggest embodied AI competition just finished in Vienna. First, Astribot just closed a Series B. The Chinese humanoid startup, also known as Stardust Intelligence, raised more than 1 billion yuan on June 3rd, pushing its valuation past 10 billion yuan, over $1.4 billion. Backers include Bohua Capital's Liangxi Fund, Thundersoft, and Kede Education. The funding lands right after Astribot opened orders for the T1, a cable-driven wheeled humanoid starting at around $14,000. The T1 stands 155 centimetres tall, weighs 66 kilos, and offers 23 degrees of freedom with a 5-kilogram single-arm payload. It can cook, fold laundry, sort auto parts, and even handle EV charging. Astribot's pitch, a high-precision humanoid for under 15 grand, is a serious bid to push embodied AI into homes and small businesses, not just factories. Next, Serve Robotics just expanded beyond food delivery for the first time. On June 2nd, the NASDAQ-listed sidewalk robot company announced an autonomous laundry delivery pilot with NoScrubs across select Los Angeles neighborhoods. Serve operates roughly 2,000 wheeled delivery robots across the US, 500 of them in LA alone. And now those same robots will pick up and drop off laundry orders alongside food. Because laundry runs outside mealtime peaks, Serve gets more revenue out of the existing fleet without buying a single new robot. NoScrubs already serves 7 cities, so this LA pilot is the test run for a national rollout. Serve also flagged dry cleaning, retail, pharmacy, and grocery as the next verticals. Finally, so the AGIBOT World Challenge wrapped at ICRA 2026 in Vienna. The 2-day event on June 3rd and 4th pulled in 526 teams from 27 countries across 2 tracks: reasoning to action and world model. What made it different was the format. Finalists had to execute long horizon tasks on a real AGIBOT G2 humanoid, not rack up simulation scores. Stability, physical world adaptability, and reliability all counted. PrismBot from Vivo took the championship, followed by Shanghai RoboParty's RPVLA and Green VLA. It's a clear signal that embodied AI is moving past leaderboard chasing, out of simulation onto hardware and into the real world. That's it for today. Hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech for the full daily briefing. See you tomorrow.